Easy chicken recipe for weight loss. Chicken lovers, maintain healthy diet. 75 calories 41 g protein. Instructions. 1. Grab a medium chicken breast. 2. Slice through the middle without reaching the other side. 3. Open the fold to make a butterfly. 4. Season both sides of the chicken with the ingredients on the screen. 5. Rub it all in. 6. Let it marinate in the fridge for a few hours, optional. 7. Cook it straight away if you like. 8. Put a pan on medium-high heat. 9. Fry the chicken on each side for around 5 minutes. 10. Remove the cooked chicken from the pan. 11. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Ingredients. Medium chicken breast. Ingredients on the screen unspecified. Pan heat. For more, click the link in bio.